In nature, flickering or shimmering light phenomena often occur. Think of sunlight filtering through leaves as you walk through a forest, light reflecting on water, or the flames of a fireplace. In such cases, Flared2 features a powerful blinking management system. This system works when the timeline animation is playing, so the first step is to start the animation playback. Next, activate the blinking feature from the Flared2 control panel. You can then adjust the two parameters that control the blinking speed and intensity. Note that the system alters the natural intensity of the flare, so you'll need to recalibrate the global brightness using the appropriate slider. The result is highly engaging because we've ensured that all elements of the flare participate in the blinking, but with slightly different timings. Watch the video to see the effect in action. You can even create emergency lights for a police car if you want. Pretty cool, right? Don't miss out. Flared2 is available for pre-order at a promotional price only on Blender Market. Use the code FLAREDRULES to instantly get Flared XT, the current version on the market, and you'll receive Flared2 for free upon its release on November 7th. For more information, check the description below this video. Thanks.